Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So today we are going to make one of my family favorites that we call macaroni goulash. Now, there's different ways of making this. You can add hamburger, which we did not do that today. You can also make mashed potatoes and put this on top of the mashed potatoes. It's really good that way as well. We're going to start off by getting yourself a nice deep pot. Get that pot boiling with some water. Once it's at a rumbling boil, you want to add your pasta. And don't forget to add your salt. We're going to stir it up so that nothing sticks to itself. And as soon as it's al dente, which means just a little bit hard, not even really hard, just a little crunch to it, then it's cooked. We're going to use a 900-gram bag right here. And we are going to strain it. Just dump it right in this colander, get the water out of it, and dump it back into the pot. Alright, now it's in the pot. Once it's already in the pot, move it over to a cutting board. We're going to open 3 cans of regular tomato soup, whichever brand you prefer. We're going to pour the tomato soup right in there. Mix it up well. I had 3 cans of tomato soup. We did end up adding cream, usually about half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of cream, and about a can of water, maybe a little bit less. Just depends on how tomatoey it is. You don't want it to be overpowering. You want to stir it up really well. We're going to add one more secret ingredient to this, and it is St. Albert's curds. You can use the yellow curds or the white curds, no matter. You can also just use regular St. Albert's cheese. It's all the same. You want to take the curds, you want to chop it up into smaller pieces so that you don't have big long strands of cheese and big fat chunks inside this macaroni. Now that we've added it in there, we let it cook on the stove for a little bit longer. All I want to see is the cheese just starting to melt. That's how we like it. If you leave it in there too long, it'll melt and you will have super long strings of cheese. Some people like that, some people don't. I put this in a little dish. I put some breadcrumbs on top of it and put it under the broiler. Got it all nice and crusty. Just added a little bit of shallots on top. And there you go. Look at how amazing it is. And let me tell you, did it ever taste good? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you liked the video today, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you get notified on all of the brand new videos. There's a bunch of videos on there that you can check out, and we have links right here on this page. Thank you and goodbye.